Are we on? Yes, we are. Nice. Okay, right. Have a drink of water. I'm drinking some water, lime water. Yes, delicious. Oh yeah. What? Yeah, I love it. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Eggs part 3. Yeah. Eggs part 3, last in the series. Eggs cocotte. Basically baked eggs, and they're absolutely delicious. They really are. They really are delicious. You can bake them in the oven. I did them in a deep pan with some water, lightly boiled, lid on, and then just cooked them for about 4 minutes, and they're delicious. Used a bit of basil, salt and pepper, very easy. Chuck them in a ramekin, cook them. Nice. And with this dish, I've got a bit of a Moroccan vibe going. Chickpeas, spinach, garlic, tomatoes, harissa, store-bought, which is fine. It goes so well with this dish, it's unbelievable. If you haven't cooked eggs like this, you should, because they're a treat, they're a real treat. Anyway, last in the series, part 3. Enjoy, sit back and relax, slap a like on this video, click that bell, subscribe, you'll be doing me a favour, and I hope you enjoy it. And please make it. Thanks, guys. First, roughly chop basil. Brush the insides of the ramekins with butter. Add salt and pepper. Basil. And the eggs. Lightly season on top and put to one side. Next, slice mushrooms, finely chop garlic and sliced tomatoes. Add olive oil to a hot pan, add the mushrooms, salt and pepper, and sauté. Transfer to a tray and put to one side. Add ramekins to a deep pan, fill the water halfway, bring to a light boil, cover, and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Cook until the egg whites are just set, but the yolks are still runny. While the eggs are cooking, add olive oil to a hot pan, add the tomatoes, and cook until blistered. Add spinach, a splash of olive oil, salt and pepper, chickpeas, garlic, and the sautéed mushrooms. Stir for 2 minutes, then turn the heat down. When the eggs are cooked, use a knife to loosen the edges. Grab a small plate, turn upside down, say a small prayer, and lift. For the sauce, I use store-bought Harissa, which goes fantastic with this dish. And to finish, some grated Asiago cheese. Delicious. So there you go, 3 delicious egg dishes. I hope I've inspired you to get in that kitchen and have a crack. Thanks guys.